Okay, just other side of that rise, I couldn't get it turned on quickly enough, is well, I'm guessing it's Okahanja. Well, I thought we were further out, but that has to be Okahanja. Okahanja just over there with a little bit of nice hilly hills we're coming into. Woo! Isaac, I've been thinking about the world's biggest and best and scariest water world, Rwanda. Of course, right next to or part of the Africa Heritage Theme Park, which is the most amazing theme park in the world. So I guess this is Okahanja. Okahanja Country Hotel. Hello, bye-bye Okahanja. Vintu. Okay, my mic was right next to my mouth doing that. Might have hurt your eardrums. Vintu 76, guys. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, bye Okahanja. 76 Ks. 7:42, 45 minutes. Doing some construction, that's quite nice. Construction. Nice to see. Right, I'm going this way, not this way up. Ooh, anyone? No. That's the deviation now, or that I should have been taking. It says now Aib, that sign facing the other way. So it's probably around 10 AM. You can feel the heat, so no real cloud cover, or protective cloud cover or cooling cover, just lots of little blots of cloud. I think that sign up ahead is going to say Windy Hookie. I hope. Say Windy Hookie straight ahead. Woo. Bit of wind. Ooh. Robot coming up. Isn't that exciting? Oh. 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 Straight through we go. I think I might even stop here for just to check the time, because my calcs were saying 10 AM. Ooh. So let's see if I'm right. Clock out. And it is at 10:06. Okay, so slightly short. 10:06. Should be 40. Quite warm, guys. Let's get going. 45 minutes to Windhoek. 10 to 11. Woo! Oh, the last stretch is going to be a bit warm, I think. Originally I said I want to be finished my travelling by 10 AM, because if it's this kind of heat, loosen my gear a bit, I think. It did say Windhoek straight ahead, didn't it? Oh, you know, I'm worried this is the B2 I'm on now. Jeez, that will be a bit silly. Let me just check. B2. I didn't like that. I didn't like that B2 sign. Switch location on. Switch maps on. Go to my location. Oh, right. What's it, B1? Very fun. Jeez. Need to get rolling again. Counter the heat. Need a pippy, but don't think about that too much. Alright, let's go. Oops. Right, I guess that's it. See what's around the bend. Rest camp, it looks nice. looks nice. There's our Rafa. When it's rainy season, no doubt. Ooh, bit of twisty road. It's nice. Windhoek, here we come. Hey. There's a damn resort over there. Right, 68. 7 6s are 42.